Hi students, welcome back to your maths world. As in the previous video, we had learned how to read the time. So today our topic is word clock. इसमें आपको बहुत माइंड लगाना पड़ेगा. Let's start. Here I am going to show you how Tara spent her day on Sunday. She had breakfast with her family at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you tell me what will be the position of minute hand and hour hand in the clock? If it is 8 o'clock, the minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand will be on 8. अब ये तो एनालॉग क्लॉक की बात हो गई. अगर डिजिटल क्लॉक में शो करना हो तो क्या राइट करेंगे? 8:00 और आंसर में हम राइट करेंगे मिनट हैंड इज इक्वल टू 12 एंड आवर हैंड इज इक्वल टू 8. Let's go ahead. She visited her grandparents in the afternoon at 12 o'clock. What will be the position of minute hand and hour hand in analog clock? Both will be on 12. And in digital clock, it will be 12:00. And write minute hand is equal to 12 and hour hand is equal to 12. She returned home in the evening. In clock, the minute hand was on 12 and hour hand was on 6. Can you tell me what is the timing? Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Because एनालॉग क्लॉक में जब भी मिनट हैंड 12 पर हो और आवर हैंड 6 पर, the time is 6 o'clock. And in digital clock, we can show as 6:00. At night, she had dinner with her family. In analog clock, minute hand was on 12 and hour hand on 9. What will be the timing? Yes, it's 9 o'clock because जब भी मिनट हैंड 12 पर हो और आवर हैंड 9 पर, the time is 9 o'clock. And in digital clock, we can show as 9:00. Let's take one more example. Tara's grandmother wants to see Ramayana on television, which will come at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But her grandmother doesn't know how to read time in any clock. Tara explains her grandmother, दादी ये एनालॉग क्लॉक है, इसमें टाइम 2 हैंड से पता चलता है. जब लॉन्गर हैंड 12 पर हो और शॉर्टर हैंड 2 पर, समझ जाइएगा 2 o'clock हो गया. और ये है डिजिटल क्लॉक. इसमें जब 2:00 हो जाए तो समझिए 2 o'clock हो गया है. आप उसी टाइम टेलीविजन ऑन कर लीजिएगा. तो किड्स, देखा आपने, तारा खुद सीखने के बाद अपनी ग्रैंडमदर को भी टाइम रीड करना सिखा देती है. और इस तरह से ग्रैंडमदर को भी टाइम देखना तो आ ही जाता है. साथ में वो टेलीविजन में अपना कोई भी प्रोग्राम मिस नहीं होने देती थी. I hope kids, now you may have understood the concept of clock, how to read and write the time, and what will be the position of hour hand and minute hand according to any time. Now it's your practice time. Question is, complete the page number 118 and 119 in your book. So that's it for today, kids. Till then, stay safe and secure by following some precautions. Wear mask, follow health and hygiene, and maintain social distance.